Hi everyone, let's see how quickly and very easily you can create a form or a survey in your Salesforce org using BreezyBit Form Builder with multiple objects. So to be able to do that, as you see, we are in BreezyBit right now in our org, and we have a nice list view with form URLs, QR codes, and other information. To create a new form, I just need to click on the new button. And here I just need to give a name to my form, let's say Hakan test form, and I need to select my primary object. That's gonna be my first object and kind of the parent object as well. I can select account for this. I added my object, so I only have account right now, but I want to add a related object. It's optional, but I can definitely do that, and let's do it actually together. So I can select an object that is related to the account object. There are many options here, of course, but for this one, let's use the contact object. And I know that the relation is being made using the account ID, right? There is a lookup field. I can select it, add object. So in my form right now, I have two objects, and this is the relationship. I can just say save and build. My form record is already created with a unique URL and a QR code. I just need to go to the form builder. And on the left side on the screen, you will see I have two objects. These are the objects I selected, account and contact. So I can use all the fields that I have in the backend for account and contact that I already have in my Salesforce org. So if I go to account name is a required field, I can use it. And let's just make this a one column form. And here, let's add, a couple of other fields from account. And also, let's add some fields from contact as well. Of course, there are some required fields. And, you might have many different fields. So you can use the quick find search here. I have the first name, for example, from contact. And I want to add last name. It's a required field from contact as well. So these are only fields I want to add, I want to use on this form, let's say. I can just save the form. And since everything is working natively in your org, you don't need to publish anything. You don't need to do field mappings. All of those are taken care of for you. So my form is ready again to share with my customers. If I go to the form URL, as you see, it's already ready to share with my customers. What's going to happen here is, since I use two different objects on this form, and when there is a submission coming from your clients using this form, it will create an account record in your org, and after that also it will create a related contact record. So let's do this actually. Let's try this out. I can say Hakan test account form, if I can spell this. This is the name of this is going to be the name of the account that is going to be created in my org. And account source, account type, just select some things here. And first name and last name, let's say it's going to be Hakan timers, and when I do the submission, I will see it's completed right away. If I go to accounts and if I just refresh the page, I will see that Hakan test account name is right here, right? If I open this account and if I look for related contacts, I will see that Hakan Timers is also created as a related contact to this account record. So this is how easy and quick to create a form or a survey with multiple objects. You can use account, contact, plus case, for example, too. Or if you have, these are standard objects, but if you have custom objects, you can use those custom objects as well. So, but this is how it works. So I'm gonna talk about other things in other videos. And so see you later on again. Thank you for listening. Bye-bye.